Okay, page 2 here. The first one says identify the constant of proportionality. Constant proportionality is the same as the unit rate. I could take any of these points and do the y. So this one is 40 divided by 1, or 80 divided by 2, 120. They're all the same, which comes out to 40. Constant proportionality in an equation is that number that is right in front of the x. So this one is 2. And for letter C, again, it's always y divided by x. And each one of these points, if I do y divided by x, can be simplified to the same thing of 1/2. So find the unit rate, always y divided by x. Number 7 here, simplify. We're using order of operations. In order of operations, these vertical lines are absolute value. They act like a parentheses, so I'll do -12 plus 7 first. So I'm looking for the absolute value of -5. Absolute value is distance away from 0. The absolute value of -5 is 5. If I look at the letter B, -2 minus 6 is -2. Same thing as adding the opposite, -2 plus 6, which is +4. Letter C, -5, add the parentheses first, which is 7 plus 5 is 12. -5 plus 12 is +7. Second one, 27 divided by parentheses first, 9 times 2. Now if I have that division and multiply, you go from left to right. So 27 divided by 9 is 3, times 2. This answer is 6. Solve and graph the following inequality, and it gives us a heads up. We have a negative sign going as a coefficient. So first I'm going to distribute -3x, negative times a negative, so it's +9 is greater than -3. Subtract 9 on both sides now, so -3x is greater than -12. Here's the part we want to watch out for. Dividing by a negative, we're switching the direction of the inequality sign. So x is no longer greater than, x is now less than. -12 divided by -3 is +4. So how do I graph that? Well, I'll make a mark here. There's 4, make it on the number line. It's a circle at 4, open circle, because it is not equal to it. So x is less than 4. So I'll point to the side that is less than 4, which is to the left. Number 9, simplify. So I'm going to use order of operations. Those are multiply signs right there. So first thing I'm going to do is parentheses, 2 squared plus 8 times 4. -15 times 3 is -45. Second thing I'm going to do is exponents. 2 squared is 4. So I have 4 plus 8 times 4 minus -45. Now I'll multiply. So 4 plus 32 minus -45. Then the last part I can go from left to right, adding and subtracting. So 4 plus 32 is 36. 36 minus a -45 is the same thing as 36 plus 45. 36 plus 45 is +81. Number 10, evaluate when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to -3. So substituting in 6 times 4 plus 9 times -3, and then I'm using order of operations. So multiply inside the parentheses first. So 2/3, I have 24 minus a 27, because there's a negative in there. 24 minus 27 is -3. So I'm going over here to do 2/3 times -3. 2/3 of a -3 comes out to -2.